Is your iPhone Wi-Fi slower than a snail in molasses? Let's fix that. First, let's try the simplest solution. Sometimes, all your iPhone needs is a little nudge, so press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears to restart your iPhone. If that didn't work, head to your Settings app and tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to your network. Then tap the blue information icon next to your Wi-Fi network's name. Tap Forget this network, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi by selecting it from the list and entering your password. This forces your iPhone to re-establish its connection, often clearing up glitches. If the problem persists, let's reset your network settings. In the Settings app, scroll down and tap General. Scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords afterward, but this often resolves deeper connectivity issues. Finally, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Go back to General and tap Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can boost your Wi-Fi speed. And there you have it. Following these steps should have your iPhone's Wi-Fi blazing fast in no time. If you are still experiencing slow speeds, it might be time to contact Apple support.